here near me the Aprilia, the new Aprilia RSV4 factory, and it comes with a lot of goodies on it, but the things that draw my attention are this winglets over here that are inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP bike, and you can't believe it, but it comes with a lot of carbon fiber parts on it and even a cooler for the braking system. How cool is that? How cool! It comes now with a larger displacement engine and a lot of goodies to improve the performance. 1078cc engine that Aprilia claims to produce around 217 horsepower. So you need those winglets, man. The bike will be part of Aprilia's lineup for 2019 together with the RSV4 RR, which is legal for competition. This new superbike lost some weight and it comes fitted with an Euro 4 Akrapovic exhaust system, which it's a titanium system, so it will be more lighter than the previous one. So we are used to adjustable swing arm position that it's made from this bushing over here, but now Aprilia offers a set of bushings that can lower and rise the whole engine actually with 3 millimeters up and down. So if you know your way with a frame geometry, you can do some magic with this bike. This is incredible. So again, this is the first superbike series to come with this type of system. So actually the whole bike is very much improved. The swing arm is stiffer right now. The Allens front suspension, the Nix cartridges are a bit longer right now, a longer travel. You have the TTX on the rear. You actually get the Stylema braking calipers. All the goodies that you can think of. 6-axis EMU from Bosch, 3-stage wheelie control, and everything else that you might need on track. And on top of that, you get a system called RSV4 MP, which is able to take your data acquisition and will help you improve your track times. I think this is the closest you can get to a MotoGP bike with this Aprilia over here. It's huge actually. The difference, it's very little because I have the MotoGP bike near me. So things are looking very good for Aprilia next year. Can't wait to put my hands on this bike and test it on track.